Today we're going to be working with contractions. Now contractions are when we put two words together to make one word. So to do that we use something called an apostrophe. So it looks like this. You may have seen it before. So an apostrophe takes the place of one of the letters in the word. So we get rid of one letter and we put the apostrophe there. So instead of having two words, we now have one word. So look at this example right here. Was not. We're going to get rid of the O and we're going to put the apostrophe, and was not becomes wasn't. She was not happy. She wasn't happy is what that sentence becomes. And we speak like this all the time, but when we're writing it, you can see what that trick is. By taking out a letter, the apostrophe fits there. So let's look at some examples. So is not, we take out the O, we put an apostrophe, and it becomes isn't. So is not becomes isn't. Today is not Thursday. Now the sentence is today isn't Thursday. So they have the same meaning, but those two words become one. The next example is did not. Did not, you take out the O, put an apostrophe, and it becomes didn't. I did not clean my room. I didn't clean my room. The next example is were not. So we're going to take out that O again, and it becomes weren't. Jen and Chris were not on the bus. That sentence now is Jen and Chris weren't on the bus. The next example is are not. So again, we're taking out the O and it becomes aren't. We are not yelling. We aren't yelling. Now we're not always taking out the O. Let's take a look at this example. He is. We're going to take out the I and is, and it becomes he's. He is going to the park. He's going to the park. The next example is she is. And again, we're going to take out that I, and it becomes she's. She is my teacher. She's my teacher. And our last example is let us. So we're going to take out the U and it becomes let's. Let us play with toys. Let's play with toys. So once you've watched this video, head to our next video so we can solve the problems together.